Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Oh, excuse me, y'all. Oh my goodness, y'all. I'm having a terrible acid reflux day, okay? Let me start that off. Hey, y'all. It's your girl. It's Simply Nikki. Yes, y'all, we back. We back. We back. Okay, y'all? And y'all know what y'all voted for. And y'all know what we are here for. Y'all, I have never, ever seen this drink a day in my life. But if you have, comment down below and let your girl know, okay? I'm not going to be here before you all long, okay? I'm going to get straight into it, y'all. It is fruit punch, and it is a soda, y'all. Tahitian is what I would call it. But I don't know exactly how you pronounce it, y'all. Okay, did y'all hear that? Did y'all hear that? Do y'all see the little fizzle? Okay, let's get into it, y'all. Cheers. Hold on, y'all. Give me a second. Okay. Let me see how what this tastes like. Oh, excuse me, y'all. Woo! Let me tell y'all what this tastes like, okay? It tastes like a Rock Creek fruit punch to me. If y'all have had Rock Creek fruit punch soda, that's what it tastes like to me. It's not very strong. To me, it is on the sweeter side. Not super sweet, but y'all, it is sweet. Let me tell y'all. We got 75 grams of carbs, 73 grams of sugar, and then y'all, it say that it has 147% of added sugars, okay? This, it say including 73 grams. So it say the added sugar, like I said, is 147%, okay? Y'all, I'm just going to take another sip of her. And this is it. This right here will give you diabetes if you don't have it. And if you have it, this will arise it, okay? We don't need that. I'm not a diabetic, y'all. I'm not trying to be, okay? So I'm just going to take one more sip for y'all. And then your girl is up off of here. Because this right here is extremely sweet, y'all. This right here ain't good for you. And so I take that back. If you never tried it, don't try it. It's not even worth it. It's not strong. Very weak. It was extremely sweet. So if you haven't tried it, don't try it. And if this right here is your favorite drink, you need to find something else to drink. Because this right here is high in sugar. Not good, okay? All right, y'all. That is it. Bye.